Hey fellas, revision, mount, S-mount, armbar, the introduction of triangle off a defence and a counter to the defence today. So just quickly, we went mount, roll them, grab the arm, roll them, go into S-mount. Quite often you'll have to change hands, lean on them, make that leg light, throw it across, and there's the armbar. Then we, great use of the kick shield. As we do the armbar, they grab their hands, so we change hands, so we underhook their clasped hand, do that there, sneak your toes through there, put your toes next to their neck, open up so that they'll see daylight. As they sit up, we then cross and cross the legs that way. And that's how we ended up with the triangle. We started the triangle initially as from the guard. So this looks a bit weird, but watch this with the use of this and a pool noodle. Let me now go through the triangle a bit. Remember, whichever arm you want, you throw the other leg across. So if that is his right, I throw that leg across. If that's his left, I throw that leg across. Then I key lock my legs that way. So everybody's got two arms. You hold one, get rid of the other. Whichever one you hold, you throw that leg across. That's got to go diagonally across or at right angles across the back of his neck. So if I've got this here, I don't want to do this because I have to be too flexible. I want to go angle there. So that goes, as you can see, directly across the back of the neck. So that was the use of the pull noodle. Looked a bit weird, so I didn't use the whole lot. Then we did it from back control. My opponent is facing this way. I go over hook and under hook. I step over to make it easy. I fall onto that side. This hugs that, push the head away, and there's the arm bar from there. So that was the arm bar from back control, and obviously we transitioned also into a triangle from then too. And the final one was we went from our knees, still wristwatch, collar and tie, step away like a waltz, pull the wristwatch behind you, swing them down, get into mount, go for S-mount. From S-mount, go for armbar. If they stop you, then you go for the triangle, end up in the triangle. So we mainly focused on mount and a bit of back control today. We mainly focused on armbar and triangle today. Armbar, straight arm, triangle, one arm and in and one arm out. So you all got the idea now of what it's like to feel with oxygen and blood being cut off, which, as Brad told me, is called land drowning, which is a good name for it. Look forward to seeing you next week, lads.